Good morning to you all, and also peace be upon you all. Now we will see two questions of quadratic equation. One more thing, remember now, method of completing the square is excluded from the syllabus of quadratic equation this year because of the lockdown and everything. 50% syllabus is reduced, and from the quadratic equation method of completing the square is excluded, it is not included. Now we will solve two questions of quadratic equation which are very important. 2 years back, 3 years back, if you see the question papers, without this question paper is incomplete. Means in every paper this type of question will be there. So it is very important. Now all of you look at the blackboard. Okay, this is from the exercise 10.3, question number 2. In that, question number 1 and question number 2 I am explaining. Other questions are also there. You just practice it. I will explain these two problems on the board. We'll take first one problem. X square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Question will be like this only. Solve the quadratic equation by using formula. So that this is the quadratic equation, we are solving it by formula. First we have to compare the equation with the standard form. You have to compare the equation with the standard form. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to write the value of a, b and c, then we will substitute in the formula. Now coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x square is 2, so a is equal to 2. Coefficient of x is b, coefficient of x is minus 7, so b is equal to minus 7, and the last value is constant, that is c. Last value is constant, that is c. c is equal to 3. Now using formula means we have to use the formula. Which formula? Sometime in the question he will ask by using quadratic formula. Sometime he will say only formula. If he say formula or quadratic formula, you have to go by this method only. Now variable used in the quadratic equation is x. So we will write x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we will substitute the values. First write this minus as it is. Write the minus as it is. Then substitute the value of b. Then substitute the value of b. What is the value of b? It's minus 7. Write minus 7 inside the bracket plus or minus under root of. Student, I told you many times, don't do copy and paste. Okay? When you see my video that time also, don't do copy and paste. Just understand what I am explaining. Then do it by yourself. It would be better for you. Then value of b again. b is how much? Minus 7. Minus 7 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into value of a. A is how much? 2. Then c is how much? 3. Whole divided by 2a. 2 into value of a. Value of a is 2. Now minus into minus is plus, so it will be plus 7. Then keep in mind, this is important, minus into minus is plus. So it will be 7 plus or minus under root of minus 7 square. 7 square is 49. Then minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Divided by 4, which is equal to 7 plus or minus under root of 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4, which is equal to 7 plus or minus 5. Under root 25 is 5 divided by 4, which is equal to, I can write first 7 plus 5 divided by 4. See here, it is plus or minus. So first time you have to use plus, then you have to use minus. Comma 7 minus 5 divided by 4. It will be 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4. 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 4. Now 4 ones are 4, 3s are 2 ones are 2, 2s are. Answer will be 3, 1 by 2. This is how we can solve the quadratic equation by using formula. All of you first look at the blackboard, see how to solve, how I solve. Don't do when you are seeing video, copy and paste, don't do this. It's not correct. First see how to solve, then do it by yourself. If you are facing any problem, then see how I have explained. Then we will see that problem, second one. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. We have to compare with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. By comparing, we can say a is equal to 2. Then we can say the coefficient of x is 1. You know, if coefficient is not mentioned, then it is 1. The coefficient of x is 1. B is equal to 1 and constant is minus 4. C is equal to minus 4. Now, let's substitute in the formula. X is equal to, always you have to write formula first. Without writing formula, if you are solving, then if solution is wrong, you will not get any marks, keep in mind. If you write the formula, if formula is right, at least you will get some marks. Now, first write this minus sign as I explained here. Then substitute the value of b. b is plus 1 here, student. Plus 1. In this problem, b was minus 7. So we substitute in the bracket. But here b is plus 1. So no need to substitute, no need to put in the bracket. You can write directly 1. Because if you write plus 1 in the bracket, minus into plus is again minus. So we can write it directly, minus 1. Plus or minus under root of b square is 1 square is 1. Minus 4 into 8, a is 2 into c is how much? Minus 4. Always, if your value is in minus, substitute in the, put in the bracket, so you will know how to solve. You will not face any problem. Divided by 2 into a. A is how much? 2. Minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square is 1. Then this minus into this minus. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32 divided by 2 2s are 4. Now minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 32. 1 plus 32 is 33 divided by 4. Now which is equal to. Here we got perfect square. So when you open it, it will be 5. This is not perfect square. 33 is not a perfect square, so it will be as it is. Just you have to take one time plus another time minus. Minus 1 plus root 33 divided by 4, comma, minus 1 minus under root 33 divided by 4. This is the answer. So I hope you understood both the problems. Solve it 3 times, you will become perfect. Then see you in the next class.